you for calling Walnut Creek Special Utility District. Make a payment using our... Please hold a moment. Walnut Creek, this is Amanda.
Hey Amanda, I think I called yesterday about the theft of the water. It's happening again right now.
The what?
Theft of water from the fire hydrants.
Oh, yeah. No, that's us. We're down there. We know about that.
Wait a minute, you're running fiber?
In the Hamptons? Yes. I spoke with the field supervisor. He knows about it.
Okay, but you said that was you guys, so you're running the fiber throughout the neighborhood?
No, we're not running the fibers, but we know that they're using it.
Without a meter?
Hold on, I'll let you talk to her. The field supervisor.
Alright.
Hello?
Yes, I was calling about the theft of water in the Hamptons. They were just using water coming off of the fire hydrant without a meter, and they said it wasn't theft. I mean, are you guys just giving them a flat rate or something? Or because last time I checked, everywhere you pull water off of something else, you have to have a meter and record the usage.
Yeah, they're our contractor also, so we let them get water. that particular company is.
Oh, so they're your contractor and the other contractor at the same time.
Yeah, they also do fiber optics, but they are also our contractor as well. So.
Okay, I guess that's a sticky situation then. So,
Yeah,
I guess
he has more than one crew, and I guess one of his other crews does have a meter. So normally they do have a meter, but we do kind of just let that one slide because he works for us as well. So.
I understand. I guess you say, don't shit what you eat where you eat, right?
Sometimes.
Okay.
We do try to make them use a meter, but I understand their situation. They're scattered all over Parker County right now.
Do you know what company they're running fiber for? Is that Frontier or Nextlink?
They're working for Frontier. Nextlink generally does their own.
Okay. Okay.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
I'll see where their meter's at and let them know anyway.
Yeah. No worries.
Alright, I do appreciate it.
You're welcome. Bye.